How to fix Facebook Marketplace unable to confirm your age. So, um, this error on Facebook Marketplace, you gotta keep in mind that sometimes you'll need to wait for a bit for your Facebook's review progress to complete. So, to ensure your Facebook profile shows your current birthday and that you're 18 plus, since Marketplace access requires being an adult, make sure you're in the country where Marketplace is supported and your account is good standing. So basically, check your age and account eligibility directly in your profile in Facebook. You can also go through the age verification process correctly. So Facebook requires you to submit valid IDs like a driver's license, a passport, a national ID, and sometimes a selfie or video. In my case, I didn't have to do that because I already made my account 18 plus before that. But if you didn't do that, then make sure you're going through a age verification process. So make sure the ID photo is clear and well knit. You should be able to see the verification option over here directly in your marketplace when you're about to do something, especially if um, you're not up to age on your account at least, but you actually are in real life. So maybe for some reason you didn't really properly set your birth date, but once you're doing the verification, make sure the ID photo is clear and well lit. It shows your full face and the DOB and expiration date is still applicable. So ensure the DOB on your Facebook account matches exactly like the DOB on the ID, since mismatches cause automatic rejections. So if you go ahead to your profile and into your account settings and then into personal details, make sure birth of date is the same into whatever ID you're going to send them. So after uploading your documents, you usually get a notification in your support inbox or via email. So wait at least 48 hours, sometimes more or less. And after several days, if nothing changes, you can use a report a problem, which is usually just found in your settings feature through Facebook help and support. You can report the problem and describe clearly that you're unable to verify your age for Marketplace, although you already submit a valid ID. But usually they will tell you that they won't be able to verify you if there's something wrong with the ID or if your age in your Facebook account doesn't match your ID. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.